This is the Zempire Atmos Hiking Tent. It's a two-person tent with a hoop style tunnel design to it. I'm going to take you for a walk through today. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hey trekkers, it's Ben from Snowy's down here today. A really warm day at the Brownhill Creek Tourist Park. It's a beautiful little shady spot right down in Adelaide's eastern suburbs near the Adelaide Hills. It's a great stopover for a long weekend or if you're just checking out the area. This is the Zempire Atmos Hiking Tent. It's a tunnel style tent, so it's going to perform really well in the wind. It's got plenty of stability if your prevailing wind is coming from either end there. I'm going to go for a walk through. I'm going to start by telling you about the fabrics. Now the fly sheet, which is seam sealed throughout, is a 75 denier, 210 thread count ripstop polyester, and it's got a 5,000mm waterhead. If we have a look at the inner, we'll just lift the fly up here, up underneath here. This is a nice fine polyester mesh. It's going to give you protection against just about any of the flying bugs. Midges, you never really know, but it's going to give you a pretty good chance. The floor is 150 denier polyester, and that's got a 10,000mm waterhead, so it is a nice durable and waterproof floor. And the poles are an 8.5mm 7001 alloy pole. Also mentioned the pegs that come with it as well, which are just over here. This is also alloy tri-pegs, nice and lightweight to keep the weight down for hiking. That's about it for the fabrics, but I want to start talking about the features of the tent, and I'll start at the rear here. Now there's a couple of vents. This features on both sides here. Now these vents have got a little stiffener in the top here just to keep this up and out away from the tent to allow ventilation up under here. There's a mesh panel right up here and a little kickstand under here to keep it away from the tent or keep it out from the tent, or Velcro to seal it up reasonably well if we don't want to let as much ventilation through, but probably best leave it open because this is one of two vents you've got at this end of the tent for ventilation. There's a couple of guy ropes at the end here as well, just to keep this nice and taut out this way. It's pretty much all the features at the back. Now, I've only got one entrance to this tent. It is a two-person tent, there's only one entrance. Before I jump in, I will mention there's three guy ropes at this end of the tent here. So the guy ropes at the rear and the guy ropes at the front are keeping that nice taut tunnel style tent that performs really well in the wind. Now access into the tent is through this nice big door here. If we undo this, roll it back, we get access to quite a large vestibule. This type of tent is quite good if you want to sort of cook your breakfast and that sort of thing without getting out of bed in the morning, because you can lean out here and kind of have your stove reasonably far away from the fabric of the tent without causing too much hassle. Well, we got room in here probably for, you'd probably squeeze a few big packs in there, but you're going to at least fit one reasonable pack in there. And then we move into the mesh inner. This is a full mesh inner on this tent here. And we've got a nice big round mesh door to access inside the tent here. We unzip this, there's a little stuff pocket just up on the side here that we can put it in to keep that up out the way, and then we can get inside the tent. Crawling inside the atmosphere, I've got room to sit up. There is room for two, it's reasonably comfortable. I've got two regular size camp mats in here, which are about 183 centimeters long and about 55 centimeters in width. So I've got room for both of them side by side. There's space for a little bit of gear. I'm probably not going to fit a pack in here, but about 200 centimeters in length. So it's not going to suit really tall people, but most average height people are going to be fine. About 128 centimeters at the head end here, and that tapers down to about a meter at the back there. In terms of headspace, I think it's about 110 centimeters here, and that tapers back down to about 70 centimeters at the rear of the tent. If I talk about features inside, it's pretty simple. You can't see it from where you are, but at the top here, there is a little plastic loop that's something just to hang a lantern off of. And then on the sides, each side here, I've got three individual pockets, 1, 2, and 3, for plenty of storage of gear to keep it at hand while I'm inside the tent. That's pretty much all the features inside here. Like I said, you can sort of lie down in here without getting out of your sleeping bag in the morning and cook your breakfast in the vestibule out the front. That is the beauty of this tent here, but you do only have one access for two people. That's pretty much it for the Zempire Atmos Hiking Tent. I reckon it's a really usable and sturdy little tent for sort of cold weather, or not cold weather, but particularly windy weather hiking. You can grab these online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you thought that video was useful, subscribe to our channel. You'll get all of our latest and greatest information. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below, or check out some other hiking videos like this one here.